What's the meaning of confiscate? Confiscate. Confiscate.
Confiscate. Confiscate. The word confiscate means to take something away from someone, typically as a legal punishment or due to a violation of the law or rules. When something is confiscated, it is seized and taken into the custody of the government or other authorities. The result of confiscation is that the person who had possession of the item loses it and may face legal consequences. Confiscation can apply to physical items such as weapons or drugs, or to virtual property such as funds frozen in a bank account.